Hi guys, it's Kiana. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we have something very exciting. I mean, for me and all my ladies out there who know hair, this is exciting. I got my first lace front. I would like to apologize, of course. Like, I had a video unboxing this beauty and then I deleted it and then I ran out of space and then it was a whole series of unfortunate events, but I am trying to get this video done for you guys. I'm trying so hard right now. So I got the Hair Topic Lace Wig Remy Quality style Mega Lace 108 and color D613, that blonde baby. I originally wanted something straight and got a deep body wave instead because this is heat resistant, or supposedly it's heat resistant. We'll find out pretty soon. So I figured, you know, I can go from a deep body wave to pin straight if I want to. This gives me options. And I loved the color. I love the color of the lace itself. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, but it's really close to my skin color. It's a darker brown color. I've seen a lot of laces that are a light color, but I'm brown. I need a brown lace, so I'm very satisfied with that. And if you could feel this hair, it is so silky, so smooth, and I'm so excited. I am so excited. It is a deep L part wig, which I was looking for one with more of a free part, something that I could do my own thing with, but this is good, and the part itself looks very natural. It's not too far apart, not too close. Of course, once I put it on, I will be able to determine though how I want it, and I can always pluck away. I'm not the expert on wigs, don't get me wrong, but one thing, and one thing only, if I only know this one thing, then it's all I need. Please, please, when you're looking for a wig, do not buy a wig that looks like Moses just put his staff in your head and split your hair like the Red Sea. The Red Sea. The Red Sea, because girl, that's wrong. It's wrong. Just don't do yourself dirty like that. Just don't. You can always pluck away. You can always pluck away. So it's better to get one that the part is very close and it looks bad because it's so close, because that way you can always thin it out. But when it already looks like who done did it and why did they do it, it's over. Game over. That's a waste of your money. It's just not worth it. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Like I said, I filmed it the first time and totally messed up, and so I do already have products in my hair. I have Garnier Fructique's Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner in my hair at the moment. I only added, I concentrated it mostly on the ends. I put a little bit into my roots, but because my hair is going to be braided up, I didn't want to add too much into my scalp because it's going to create its own moisture underneath that wig anyways. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is braid my hair, although I am going to do it off camera, and be right back for you. Alright, so I have braided my hair, if you want to consider this braided, and really just took my little edge brush, which is a toothbrush that we call an edge brush, and kind of just used my gel to make sure that all of my natural edges were pushed back. And I also have like very deep sideburns, so I made sure to use that gel to get them up and away out from in front of my ears. So we're just going to go ahead and 2 pieces. I only see one. jib me? Or is it both hair? Oh, they're both hair. Yeah, a lot of people with this wig cap, even me obviously, hate it because of this band. But we are going to actually fix that. This is inside out. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and pop on this wig cap. So we're gonna take our Got To Be Ultra Glued gel, not glue, gel, a generous amount, and we are going to do this. Honestly, I should have just bought the big bottle. I didn't want to buy the big one because I figured I'm only doing one wig and I never use gel on my hair otherwise, so I was like, there's no need for me to buy the big bottle. But now that I'm really using it and seeing how much of this I'm using, I should have went with the big one. So yeah, I'm just going to be going in with my blow dryer now while this gel is still wet. We're just going to be melting in this. Okay. This is still not dry, but I'm adding in some of this hairspray. Yeah, once that dries, we are going to take this obviously, if you couldn't tell, I am struggling. This is the corners that have my really long sideburns that are coming out because they have a whole mind of their own. They don't care what I want at all. So I'm just going to also take a little bit more of this gel and make sure to get the edges down, because they do start to roll up when you start cutting them away. So I am putting the little clip in the back now. I went ahead and I cut the lace. There are some parts of it that are a little short, but that's okay. And I also pulled out some baby hairs. So all that I did for that was I went through with this like tweezer and I literally pulled out strands of hair like that. And just took some scissors. These are just like thin scissors, and hacked away. I really don't like cutting them like this because you're gonna get very blunt ends, and baby hairs are very wispy, uneven, and also by going like this you will thin out the hair, which will give you an even more natural baby hair effect. Wow. So one thing I definitely am not feeling about this wig right now is how much it's shedding. If feel like for $60, I really shouldn't be seeing this much shedding. So what company was this? Hair Topic, get it together. We're gonna place our wig exactly where we want it on our forehead. Honestly, I want this hairline a little bit farther back. So what I'm gonna do is thin it out. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I know I skipped like the most important step of actually installing the wig, and I'm so sorry. I was having so many technical difficulties, but I wanted to still post this. So anyways, I used the Got2b glue gel to stick it onto my head using a blow dryer to make it tacky, and just stuck down the lace little by little, starting from the side going all the way around. And once it was secure, I then thinned it out a little bit more, straightened it, which it took to the heat very well. However, this is still, of course, my first lace front wig, so if you guys have any more tips or tricks for me as I go along my journey, I would love to know more. If you guys would like to put them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Mwah.